If your mind won't settle until everything is wiped down, lined up, and in place, that's not drama. That's your nervous system talking. People joke about being too clean. They say you're obsessive, controlling, or overdoing it. But here's what they don't understand. This isn't about perfection, it's about peace. Psychology actually supports this. Clutter increases cortisol, the body's stress hormone. So for some people, mess isn't mildly annoying, it feels physically overwhelming. When life feels chaotic, cleaning becomes the one thing that feels manageable. When emotions are loud and the world feels unstable, order becomes safety. A clean home isn't aesthetic, it's a sanctuary where chaos loses power. Wiping a counter doesn't just remove dirt, it quiets anxiety. Organizing a closet doesn't just sort clothes, it slows racing thoughts. That's not obsession, that's emotional regulation. If this is sounding a little too familiar, comment "clean mind" and hit subscribe. You're not alone here. Many people who crave order are highly sensitive. Their brains process visual input more intensely. Mess isn't background noise to them, it's constant stimulation that never shuts off. So when the space clears, something changes. Their breathing slows, their shoulders drop, their thoughts finally soften. A tidy space isn't about impressing guests, it's about being comfortable in your own body. The routine itself becomes the remedy, the rhythm calms the mind. Folding laundry, washing dishes, vacuuming straight lines, these aren't chores, they're grounding rituals. Unlike life, cleaning gives instant feedback. You can see improvement. That small sense of control releases dopamine, a quiet voice saying, "You handled this." Sometimes it goes deeper than stress. Sometimes it comes from childhood. For those raised in chaos, mess once meant tension, noise, uncertainty, instability. So as adults, they build the calm they never had, shelf by shelf. Every organized space sends a message, this place is safe. Their cleaning isn't compulsive, it's protective. It's the home their younger self needed and never got. For them, cleanliness becomes care, a quiet form of love. A clear table says, "I want you to feel at ease here." Behind the neatness is often a soft heart, someone who doesn't want to let anyone down. Their order isn't judgment, it's vulnerability turned into action. For some, cleaning is the only time they feel fully present, where the mind finally rests. Others meditate, others journal. They organize, and that's okay. So if you can't relax until your space is in order, there's nothing wrong with you. You're not too much, not controlling, not excessive. You simply understand what your mind needs to feel calm. Your outer order supports your inner peace. Cleanliness isn't your flaw, it's your coping intelligence. So tell me, does cleaning calm your mind too? And the next video might explain why even more.